In the book of Proverbs, timeless wisdom guides individuals toward abundance and prosperity through dedicated effort, wise decision-making, and thoughtful stewardship. If you're dreaming of starting your own business or exploring entrepreneurship, Proverbs provides practical insights to shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance and foster entrepreneurial confidence. Proverbs emphasizes the importance of diligence and consistent effort. One verse advises, "Diligent hands bring wealth." Entrepreneurship begins with the decision to take meaningful action today, even if that action seems small at first. An abundant mindset understands that small, consistent efforts today can yield significant results tomorrow. Generosity and cooperation also underpin an abundant mindset. Proverbs teaches a generous person will prosper. Whoever refreshes others will be refreshed. Successful entrepreneurs know that collaboration, networking, and offering genuine value can greatly enhance growth opportunities. Proverbs also highlights the importance of planning and wise decision-making. Plans succeed through good counsel. Seek advice, learn continually, and apply what you learn strategically to your entrepreneurial journey. Trusting in clear, thoughtful planning can replace fear and uncertainty with confidence and clarity. Your unique skills and talents are essential assets. Proverbs 22:29 states, "Do you see someone skilled in their work? They will serve before important leaders." Cultivating your skills diligently and consistently can lead to remarkable opportunities. Embrace your strengths, continue developing them, and recognize that expertise translates directly into abundance. Changing from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset requires intentional practice and self-awareness. Proverbs notes, "As a person thinks in their heart, so they become." Affirm growth, possibility, and opportunity daily. Replace negative thoughts with encouraging and empowering beliefs. To begin your entrepreneurial journey, take immediate, practical steps. Even small efforts today can set you on the path to success. With the availability of technology, particularly artificial intelligence, you can leverage powerful tools to quickly offer valuable freelance services, establishing a foundation for your new business. Here are popular American freelance websites where you can start offering services immediately. Utilizing AI tools to deliver quality results efficiently, Upwork, create professional presentations, spreadsheets, logos, and visual content. Fiverr, offer gigs in AI-assisted logo design, presentation creation, digital art, or document preparation. Freelancer, bid on projects related to AI-powered analytics, content creation, graphic design, and presentations. Guru, provide services in creating AI-enhanced reports, marketing materials, or visual presentations. People Per Her, deliver hourly services such as AI-driven content editing, branding materials, or customized graphic design. Utilizing tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Looka, and Slide-Aside, you can efficiently deliver professional quality outputs, even with limited experience. Building your portfolio, earning income, and developing entrepreneurial confidence. Lastly, remember the encouraging message from Scripture that underscores abundance. "I have come that they may have life, and have it to the full." Embrace the understanding that abundance and prosperity can serve as powerful forces for good, benefiting not only you, but also your community. As you succeed, you naturally become capable of helping others, creating a positive cycle of growth and prosperity. Start today, step confidently into your entrepreneurial future, and watch as your diligent effort transforms into meaningful, lasting abundance.